This is the MIBRO Lite smartwatch. It's a beautiful little thing with an AMOLED screen. This happens to be a glitch in the prototype screen, not typically found on the production units. You're looking at the always-on screen. When you come out of that into the main screen, if you have several that you can choose from, you get the bright typical AMOLED display. You've got all these different kind of controls, which includes turning on or off the always-on, the do not disturb mode. You can even turn the watch off from here or go into the overall settings, which has lots of switches for all kinds of things that you want to control directly from the watch. You can set warnings for heart rate in sport, resting, or sleep mode, language changing, all kinds of stuff from here. You also have the tabs here that show you instantly your weather, recent heart rate and blood oxygen activities, and your frequently used apps on the device, and messages pushed to you from your phone. As far as these tiles, you can go into heart rate using green diodes. You can check your weather in your area in centigrade or Fahrenheit, your step count, blood oxygen, this using the red diodes, and a pressure or fatigue level that it will give you as well. A push of the side button and it reveals the app drawer where you get your sporting activities. All of these are included. Walking, running, cycling are all done with step count from your pedometer for distance. No GPS in this watch. You also have your exercise data, which is your step count data, heart rate and blood oxygen we've already seen, a sleep report, which shows you last night's sleep time, and chart for daily. Your pressure, we already saw that. You have a breathing exercise program in here, inhale and exhale, and something called MET, which I've got 28. They like you to get 600 of those for the week. Music player, timer, find your phone, of course the messages. You've got a stopwatch in here that will run, but when you leave it, will put it in pause mode. It doesn't run in the background. You've even got a calculator built into it, as well as the weather and settings we've already seen. So, all in all, it's a nice little smartwatch. It's got a TPU band and a clean look to it, a nice backing on it. Yeah, it's the MIBRO Lite. Check it out.